And we're back to exploring Midjourney. Let me show you how you can create custom parameters. We have this option inbuilt in Discord via a command. Well, let me show you an example. We want to have a prompt for photography, realistic. We want to have a portrait, and then in the style of a famous photographer. It's just an example, but this one, Gregory Colbert, is famous for nature photography with humans, so animals and humans together. And we also add a parameter for the aspect ratio 60:9. Now we'll change the subject to woman. We can now copy this prompt and then change the subject every time. But let's just say we want to return to this project tomorrow. We don't really know where our prompt was. So instead of searching through Discord and copy pasting it, we can simply store this entire prompt as a default. We can do so by using the command prefer option set. And here we can paste it. So I get rid of the subject, then I copy this entire prompt. So photography, realistic, portrait in the style of Gregory Colbert, AR 60:9. And now I have to give it a name. So simply cut this out, Ctrl X, and I call this photography Colbert. And then I click on +1 more. The value pops up, was selected, and now I paste my prompt. So everything without the subject, which was woman in my example, and I confirm via enter. And this has now created the custom option photography Colbert, which is now a parameter that we can use in Discord or in Midjourney. So all that we have to do now is to remember this and use it for our next subject. So imagine, and this time I use man and then minus photography Colbert. And if I press enter, you can see our entire prompt was added to the subject man. So we have our custom parameter created. You can access this list of parameters. So if you create multiple, you can check what you've got created or stored by using prefer option list. If you use that command, just confirm via enter. It's going to show you the entire list of stored custom parameters. In this case, we only have one, which was our photography Colbert, and it shows you what's stored inside. If you ever want to delete one, you just have to use the name of the parameter. Yet again, use prefer option set, add the name, and then keep the +1 more empty. So just confirm via enter, and then you will see in Discord a confirmation message right here, custom option photography Colbert removed. And this is how you can create and use custom prompts in Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.